Alright, so we do blueprints showing that we, actually know how to make the part and parts correct sizes. We're going to use this title block. So I'm going to show you how to get this title block rather than the default one that's in Fusion. So if you go to Classroom, on Classroom you'll see the CHS title block. There'll be some other videos on here, this video included. What I want you to do is I want you to click on CHS title block, and then it'll pop up. It'll show you what it looks like online. If we click download, it's going to bring it down here. Let's go back to Fusion, and then I want you to go into your folder 2022 or 2023 spring drafting, and you'll see Titan CNC building blocks, and I have a screw around projects for like the fun things. Let's create a folder called templates. Again, use those capital letters. In my templates folder, it's empty right now. I want to click upload, and I'm going to select files, and what it's going to do is going to take me to like my my computer here. I want to go to downloads, CHS title block, and then if you drag this up, you'll see upload. Give it a second, it'll be uploaded on here. Alright, and I'll hit close. So I don't really care about that right now. What I want to do, I'm going to come back here and hit don't save. And so like on my Titan 1M, I'm going to right click, create drawing, and then template, I'm going to go browse. Obviously I have it already, but I'm going to go browse, and I'm going to go to 2023 spring drafting templates, and then I'm going to find that title block. I'm going to select it, and I'll hit OK. And then now when I open up my part will actually end up bringing in right to that already finished title block that gives us plenty of room to work with. So that's how you want to upload and use a title block.